Hello there everyone, Gmc again, back with another video. So, working on my truck here, and I always check things out, and I had to do, and I'm sorry I didn't have a video on it, but I had to swap, a lifter was bad inside my engine, and then while I was working, not this one, but the battery terminal on the driver's side, or the passenger side, went bad, and I actually came across these at a local lawnmower shop, and I'm sure there's more out there, but I thought this would be a good replacement for this terminal with all the extra wiring I have with winch and accessories, and you know, I upgraded wiring going to my alternator and stuff like that. So I thought I'd show me swapping that out. So let's get to it. I did upgrade this to longer bolts, so we shall see if I have to do that as well, because normally GM always used side terminal, and being I put monster batteries in here and went to a larger aftermarket, I decided to, this is actually a truck cable, I'll save this for something else because it's still good, but I just figured having the added spots where I could put terminals and having 4 bolts to hold it down, in my opinion, would be pretty awesome. Has it pretty tight. I might have to get the extractor to take this off. I'll give it a little tug here. Probably shouldn't do this. Kids, do not try this at home. There we go. We got it off. Alright, grab a battery brush. Alright, we got our battery brush. We'll give this a quick clean, even though it's probably not that dirty. Gotta be careful here because this is the positive terminal. Alright, let's throw this guy in place here. Alright, that terminal's bigger, we're going to grab a spreader. Alright, here's a pretty cool tool to have. This thing is a dinosaur. It could have been my grandfather's, I don't know, but sometimes these battery terminals, they're spread out in the back. You stick this guy in here a little bit, give it a squeeze, and maybe even a little more. Don't want to go too carried away. We'll make that fit pretty nice. A little spread. Almost there. A little at a time. And then on the back of it, it has a scraper that you could go around and scrape the terminal and clean it off that way as well. But we have that almost there. There we are, all set. Alright, now get these cables in place here. I have this camera sitting on an angle, so hopefully I don't bump it. So we'll straighten our lines out. This is 0 gauge cable. Still not a terminal there yet, so hopefully we can. And that wire is tough. Grab some dielectric grease. So even at the terminal, you want to keep things lubed up, and this helps prevent corrosion. These AGM batteries, as you can see so far, this battery here is actually almost 2 years old already, and so far so good. I actually have run it dead a couple times, but This Deca Intimidator is working really, really well. Very impressed. You figured a average battery only lasts probably 5 years. I got on my 2010 Colorado, I actually got 8 years out of that, I think it was. But, so far so good. But anyway, I like this terminal quite a bit here. Kind of concealing everything in. You got 4 bolts holding it down, and then I have we'll loosen these screws up then one at a time. Then once we get that hot gauge cable, if I stop putting my hand in the way. So now you got 4 bolts basically to hold your terminal down, and even at the edges you could add more to it. And since these here are crimped very well yet, I'm going to leave these alone. Get this one tightened up. Now, just for a safety warning out there, you got to watch so you don't touch the metal with your wrench here, or it will arc. And you don't want to do that, and you also don't want to shock yourself either. After turning wrenches and tinkering around for, oh boy, 20 some years, I've never done that. So I got shocked a couple times. So we're going to take and put the blue wire on top of that one yet. Kind of act like a washer, and I think we're going to upgrade from our old one. Actually, we'll put these two together. A little bit smaller. We have a little bit longer bolts, which I think will help tighten things down a little better. Alright, we got that one in. Let's get that tight first. Hold it up down underneath. Don't drop your wrench either. Alright, now we can loosen up the other side here. For our other one. Real tight fit with that hot gauge cable, but all in all, I think we're going to have a really good connection. We'll use our little bit longer bolt from the other terminal that I added. We'll just stick those in the other one. Alright, before we snug them down good, let's get our terminal tight carefully. So Got that good and snug. Look at that, nice and tight. Now we'll double check our bolts here. Alright, we are in good shape. Terminals are tight. Look at that. Maybe a light coat of dielectric grease. Keep the corrosion away. Alright, that's it for that. And I'll do it on the other side. But it's basically the same as this side. So, this is a little quick tip here. I don't even know the brand of it. It was on a Deca rack, so it could be from Deca. I know they're made in USA. The package did say that, but they didn't have a name on it. But little quick tip in here on an upgraded battery cable. Use it on gas engine. I'm using it on the 6.5 diesel here. But I saw them. I thought they were a good grab. Two of them were $6, I think it was. So, thanks for watching. This is Gmc. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you never miss a video from Gmc. So, remember, we'll see you next time, and remember, keep wrenching. Keep on wrenching.